your crumblings. Welcome back to another video. For today's video, gagawin ko na ngayon ng house tour! So, for now, ito muna ang ating aanahin. Garahe na may maraming hawakan. Yan, tapos patigil na. There. Then my bike, motor, and 2 bikes of Playboy. And this is the office. You see clearly. Hi. That's the office with some That's the office with some. Let's be real. Where was this? I'm missing so I'm not gonna help. And I'm working. This is the living room. Oh, it's all quiet. Got the TV. TV's like up. And another room. Boop. Not gonna show you that. Bathroom. Can't see it, but it's really cute. That toilet. And some cabinets. And another room right here. Not gonna see it because it's really messy. Another room there. And we have another. Yeah. It's the kitchen with another door with it. I'm not gonna show you it because Mommy said not to. So that's the kitchen area. There's a little bit of a little baby Sissy. So cute. Then I'm not gonna show you the whole of it, but you can't see it. There's 2 more doors. You can see it. Comment down below. And then there's like actually there's I have. You don't know that? That's actually where chicken coop is. Chicken coop. Look how many eggs. Eggs. Okay. So guys, benches, fine. Garden and the garage where I play golf. Can't even see it, but this bike. Maybe later, I guess, or I don't know. But we're gonna do it. I'm gonna show you everything. I can't actually show you it as a glimpse because it's a little bit messy. But in some vlogs, maybe I can. Okay, so guys, thank you guys so much for watching the video. Oops. Hope you guys like. Hope you guys like, share, and subscribe. Turn on the notification. Always use Starker Pizza and Starker Leggings. If it's buying link block, buying books. Bye. Bye.